How to freeze headings in Excel sheet. If you want to freeze pins, in this case you want to freeze your top row and the first column in your Excel sheet, this video is for you. To freeze the top row, all you have to do is to navigate to the top of your Excel sheet and tap on view, then continue to tap on freeze pins. With this selected, proceed to click on freeze top row, and after that, when you scroll down, your top row will be freezed and any other information under it will be maintained there. In the event you want to freeze the first column on your Excel sheet, all you have to do is to proceed to the view menu again, then continue to tap on freeze pins. Then in this case, you have to continue to tap on freeze first column, and with this selected, when you scroll to the other side, you could see your first column is maintained there. In the event you want to freeze the top row and the first column all at the same time, so that you lock the top row and at the same time you lock the first column, so any information that comes on either way, you will be able to see which month or which heading that information falls under. Make sure the cell that is in between the top row and the first column is highlighted. In this case, we are going to select this one, so that when we select this cell, all the information that comes right above this cell will be locked, and all the information also that comes right on the left side of this cell will also be locked. So with this selected, continue to tap on this freeze pin again, then make sure to select on freeze pins. Then after that, when you scroll down, you will see that the top headings has been locked, and when you also scroll on the other side, you could also see that the first column has been locked. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.